Top 5 AI video tools that replace editors. What if I told you you could publish a professional, edited video without touching a single timeline? No cuts, no color grading, no hours lost. Just done. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly which AI tools are making that possible right now. Here's the reality of video production in today's world. You film something? Great. Now what? You need to edit it, script it, add captions, find music, do a voiceover, color correct it, export it, resize it for 4 different platforms. And if you're a business owner or content creator doing this alone, that's not a content strategy, that's a second job. Most people either burn out or give up entirely, and the ones who don't quit, they're usually spending 5 to 8 hours on a single video. Sound familiar? A quick reminder to subscribe to this channel. Now, let's continue. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 AI video tools that are literally replacing traditional video editors. These tools cut your production time by 70% or more. They're not perfect replacements for everything, but combined, they're a game changer. And at the end, I'll show you the exact workflow we use at Beep 10 Studio to deliver polished, professional videos for our clients, consistently, at scale. Let's get into it. Tool number 1, Descript, the edit by text revolution. If you've never used Descript, I need you to stop everything and write this down. Descript lets you edit your video by editing the transcript. That's right, your video becomes a Google Doc. You delete words from the text, the footage disappears. You highlight a section and hit backspace, gone. It also has a feature called overdub, where it clones your voice so you can fix mistakes without re-recording. Let me paint you a picture. You record a 20-minute raw video. You upload it to Descript. It transcribes it in minutes. You delete all your ums, your you-knows, your awkward pauses just by deleting text. What used to take 3 hours now takes 45 minutes. This is exactly the kind of tool we recommend to clients who want to do more of their own editing before handing content over to us. Tool number 2, Runway ML, the visual effects powerhouse. This one is genuinely wild. Runway is an AI video editor that can do things that would have required a Hollywood post-production team 5 years ago. We're talking background removal without a green screen, object removal, video upscaling, motion tracking, style transfer, where you can make your footage look like a painting, a film noir, a cinematic blockbuster. But here's the feature that changes everything for content creators. Gen 2, Runway's text-to-video AI. You type a description and it generates footage. Not perfect yet, but for B-roll, for transitions, for creative content, it's already being used professionally. Inside our studio, we use tools like Runway when clients need fast turnarounds on visually rich content. Things that would have taken a motion designer days, now handled in hours. Tool number 3, 11 Labs, the voice that sounds human. 11 Labs is an AI voice generation platform, and not the robotic, obviously AI kind of voice. We're talking indistinguishable from human. Seriously, listen to this. You can clone your own voice and use it to narrate videos without ever recording again. You can create entirely new characters, different accents, different emotions. For businesses that produce product walkthroughs, explainers, ads, or training videos, this is a massive time and money saver. Think about it. You write a script, you paste it into 11 Labs, you get broadcast quality audio back in about 30 seconds. No studio, no microphone setup, no retakes. We've integrated voice AI into several client workflows when their on-camera presenter isn't available for re-records. It's seamless when done right.
Tool number 4, Opus Clip, short-form content on autopilot. Here's the problem most creators have. They make a long video, maybe an interview, a podcast, a webinar, and they know they should be cutting it into short clips for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok. But they never do because it takes forever. Opus Clip literally solves that. You drop in your long video, the AI watches it, and identifies the most engaging moments, the punchy lines, the insightful quotes, the emotional beats, and turns them into vertical short-form clips, automatically. It even adds captions, reframes the footage for vertical format, and gives each clip a virality score. 1 hour of footage becomes 10 pieces of content. That's not a workflow hack, that's content multiplication. This is exactly what we do for clients who want to scale their presence across platforms without producing 10 separate videos. You record once, we, or Opus Clip, handles the rest. Tool number 5, HeyGen, AI avatars and video translation. HeyGen, And this one is probably the most futuristic of them all. HeyGen lets you create an AI avatar of yourself, or your presenter, or a completely custom character. You upload a short video of yourself talking, the AI learns your face, your lip movements, your expressions. Then it can generate videos of you speaking any script without you ever filming again. But that's not even the most powerful feature. HeyGen can translate your existing videos in over 40 languages with your face perfectly synced to the new audio. Your mouth moves, your expressions match, your voice cloned into Spanish, French, Portuguese, Hindi. If you're a business trying to reach a global audience, this is not the future. This is happening right now. And for brands that want to create localized content without hiring translators and reshooting everything, this cuts that entire process down to a few clicks. Now, let me give you some real talk, because I see a lot of creators and businesses try to adopt all of these tools at once, and it becomes chaos. The tools are powerful, but tools don't equal a workflow. Here's what a real video production workflow actually looks like when it's running efficiently. Step 1. You record your raw content. Could be on your phone, could be a proper camera. Doesn't matter. Step 2. That content goes through an editing pipeline. Someone or something cuts it, cleans it, adds captions, graphics, music, and color grades it. Step 3. It gets formatted for every platform it needs to live on. Step 4. It gets delivered, scheduled, and published. At Beep 10 Studio, that's exactly the workflow we've built, but at a professional level, with AI tools accelerating every single step. Our clients, business owners, coaches, personal brands, agencies, they don't touch the editing side at all. They just show up, they record, and they send it to us. We handle everything else. The reason most people don't scale their content isn't lack of ideas. It's the friction between recording and publishing. That friction is what we eliminate. So here's where I'll be honest with you. You can learn all 5 of these tools. You can build your own workflow. You can spend the next few months figuring out what works and what doesn't. A lot of people do that, and eventually some of them get it dialed in. But if you're a business owner, a coach, a brand, a YouTuber who wants to scale, not just survive, the smarter move is usually to hand the production off entirely and focus on what you're actually good at. That's literally what we do at Beep 10 Studio. You record, you send, we edit, optimize, and deliver. We're not just editors, we're a full video production team that's built around the AI tools we just talked about, so your content moves fast, looks great, and stays consistent, even when you're busy. If that sounds like what you need right now, the link to work with us is in the description below. No pressure, just worth knowing it exists. Alright, before you go, if you found this video useful, do me a solid and hit subscribe. We drop videos every week on AI tools, video production, and content strategy that actually works. And I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. Which of these 5 tools are you already using? Or which one are you planning to try first? My bet is Opus Clip or Descript gets the most love, but prove me wrong. And if you're serious about leveling up your video content, whether that's DIY or done for you, check the description. Everything you need is down there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.